Here we are today in Gaffney, South Carolina, and we've stopped kind of a Roadside America trip. Roadside America stop. Gaffney, South Carolina is home of the world's largest peach. Actually, it's not really an edible peach because it's really a big water tank. But see, it's got a leaf on it, and it just looks like a big peach. Let's go over here. Let's get under it a little bit, and then we can kind of see. You can see the leaf there, and we're walking under. It's in Gaffney, South Carolina. You can see it really good from Interstate 85. And we're kind of going under it here. We're looking straight up now at the beach. It's a pretty big one. And let's go over here. And TJ's already got back in the car because it's kind of windy out here. And he was saying, wow, it's windy. But here we go. Let's see what we've got. And it really is windy. We see this is honor of Jackie Millwood for 22 years to the community. And this is Millwood Park. Little monument, little bench there. And then now we can look straight up here and we can see it.